Yes, how are you guys? My name is Oscar Kibet. So just to introduce myself, today I had a very good adventure. There's a company which opened in 2022. It's called Ebikes. The founders are from Netherlands. Netherlands, you know, definitely. It is the Dutch people. So what happened is they came with a very good innovative idea of how they can at least how they can make mobility as cheap and economical as possible. So what is happening is that they have these bikes, which they call them e-bikes, but the kind of technology that runs on these bikes is called pedal assist, whereby when you cycle, that's when the wheels accelerate faster, because they're usually powered by a battery and a motor. So the motors are usually between 250 and 350. So when you cycle, it gives you a boost of at least a range of 35 kilometers per hour. That is for the ones with the motor of 350. And the ones for the motor of 250 takes you around 25 kilometers per hour. One of the advantages with these e-bikes is one of the major advantages of them is that it's very economical, as opposed to if you are to use public transportation. Here in Kenya, we have matatus, buses that transport people to different places. So at times you get into a lot of disadvantages, whereby sometimes you're stuck on traffic, tonnage traffic, or sometimes you can easily be robbed of your valuables, or you can misplace some of your things. Let's say, for example, you can forget your luggage, or you can forget your phone, or even you can be robbed from that. So I found it to be one of the greatest advantages here, because you're able to reach to your destination as early as possible, and when you look at cost, it's very cheap. That's one thing I liked about it. So on average, Kenyans use between 200 and 300 shillings daily. So if you convert that monthly, it accumulates to something like 18,000 shillings, which in dollars it comes to roughly between $140 and $150 there. So when you look at that cost, if you calculate it per year, it comes to really a lot of money. So for the people who are watching this video, I urge you guys to try these people out, because today I had an interview with them, and very soon they're going to upload it on different social media accounts. Now, so let's say, for example, every month you're using, let's say you're spending between, let's say 200 to 300 per day, which comes to around, let's say, between 18 to 20,000 Kenya shillings, if you do the maths properly. So in a span of a year, if you do that cost, let's say if it is around 20,000 per month. So in a year, that comes to around, it comes to really a lot of money. So in a year, that comes to about, let's say 200,000 to 240. Let's approximate it that way. And let's say if you're buying this bike, because the cost of this bike is about less than $1,000. So if you look at that cost and you compare to what you're spending on the road, there's a very big difference. So let's say, when you buy this bike, the most important thing is that you should have it serviced. So let's say on cost, how much I spend between let's say 25 to the maximum $30 a month. Sorry, not a month, in let's say 4 to 5 months. So you can look at that cost. You can realize there is really a very good saving on that. So if you are to calculate in those 4 months how much money you've spent, and in those 4 months and how much money I've spent on service, you can see there's a very big difference. So anyway, I thank so much. Okay, I really thank these guys so much, because also they're opening businesses in Uganda and also Tanzania. So anyway, that was not really about the video talking about them so much, but I wanted to unbox what they gave me today, because they were really happy. I was able to attend that interview, and we had to do some video shoots here and there. So okay, they gave me a cape, which is this one. And it looks very trendy, and I like the way they brand their products. So this is the cape they gave me as a gift, but I don't use capes so much, so maybe I can try it. I don't know how I look like on capes. I rarely use capes. So anyway, I'll continue talking when I have this in my head. Then they gave me a t-shirt. This is how the t-shirt looks. So it's extra large. I can see they are very good in quality. So this is what it looks like. So you can have that's where the bicycle is. You can see the bicycle is there, and then you can see the EB logo, and then also it's branded behind. It's written "Move Smarter." But I also like the color of the t-shirt, and I realize the fabric itself, it's a little heavy. It's not like those other t-shirts with very light material. So I foresee this will last much longer. Wow, I liked this one. Now next, they gave me a voucher. This one, not a lot of money, but at least something to appreciate. This is for QuickMart. We have several supermarket chains here, so this is one of them, one of the biggest chains here. Yeah, so that's what I had for today. So I just wanted to say thank you so much, EB, and I'll also try and tag you guys on this video. And I also try to talk to the company, like if they're doing interviews, or for example, if they're trying to do shoots. I noticed, I gave them an idea. You should try and be as consistent as possible, especially on your social media pages. And then you can get your guys to try and explain more on how these bicycles helped in their businesses. Oh, another thing before I forget, I explained to them that usually when I'm called for meetings, I ride to where the designated addresses are. And then again, I also deliver samples. Like for example, today I delivered a sample for a rattan planter. You can check there. You'll see on my YouTube shorts. You'll see a rattan planter, the one that I made. So those are one of the advantages. So I also try to tell them they should try and capture as many people as they can, especially even the young people, like students. You know, they'll be able to save more money if they're able to get themselves to these institutions that they are in. So anyway, that's the most I had to say for today. So I kindly urge you guys to like, share, and subscribe to my content. Very soon I'll be shooting more videos. I'll keep shooting more videos. And I'll also explain current events here and there, and how we can be able to nurture ourselves in day-to-day life. So thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.